สวัสดีครับ My name is Kid from Bangkok Lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So today I would like to talk with you guys about the visa issue of the foreigners who have been have been prosecuted for the criminal offense under Thai law. When the foreigner they coming to Thailand on the tourist visa, they get 60 days, right? They can stay in Thailand for 2 months, 1 month, depending on where they coming from. I have recently I have one of the my case. This guy coming from the state, United States, and then he got arrested for the drug offense here in Thailand, but it's not just small amount of drugs. And then I suggested him that he should plead guilty because the amount of drug is very small, and he was considered as a user. He's not a drug trafficker, so that means he has a chance to get the jail time suspended. So and then at that time his visa is still valid. He got 60 days, right? So but when he got arrested, his visa will finish around 20 February, and he got arrested maybe early January. So and then after he decided to plead guilty, and then the court found him guilty, and then his jail term has been suspended. He paid the fine to the court, and then he walked away. But his visa is still valid, right? But under Thai law, when the foreigners who get a conviction or who have been convicted of the criminal offense, that means they have no legal right to stay in Thailand anymore, even though your visa is still not finished. My client, after he finished the court, he get jail time suspended. He's not going to be in jail, right? But he cannot stay in Thailand anymore. And then I got the contact from the police who handle this case, and he's saying that, oh, my client has to go to meet the police officer, because the police officer is gonna take him to the immigration detention center to put him in there for the deportation process. But no one want to be in the immigration detention, right? Nobody don't want to be in the immigration detention center. So that's why he decided to leave Thailand. Because if he going to meet the police gonna escort him to the immigration detention center or IDC, and then he gonna be there for maybe at least 2 or 3 days before he can processing deportation, and then get kicked out from Thailand. But he decided to leave Thailand before he get arrested, because even though your visa is still not finished, but you already get a conviction, you have been convicted of the criminal offense. That means you have no legal right to stay in Thailand anymore. You're gonna have to be detained in the immigration detention center. So that's the law here. Once you breaking the Thai law, and then you have been convicted of of wrongdoing or the crime that you're doing here in Thailand, you have no legal right to stay here anymore. You're gonna have to be deported by the immigration. So guys, all right, hopefully you guys can get some knowledge about about the visa, and the deportation, and the criminal case. Next time I'll see you guys next time. Thank you and ขอบคุณครับ